even do that right? Let's put it over here. What up, people in wherever you are? I have no pants. I'm supposed to be doing Snapchat vlogs. Oh, if you don't have my Snapchat, I will put it in the link below and you can have my Snapchat. Okay, is that a bee? No. Go away. How can I count? Oh, I can't. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know what to do. Pull up the gear, boy. Bye. I missed the trash can. This does not taste good with brushed teeth. Oh my god, what just came out of my body? Let me do some shout outs real quick. I only do like one shout out because I know her and she does YouTube. He's back. Just shout out to Tracy. I will put her YouTube link down below because her videos are really funny and cool. And she does really good edits too. We haven't been trying, but there was a couple days when I was like, hey, we should do a collab. She's like, okay, hit me up whenever. Bro, put a shirt on. You're like 200 pounds times 12. Like over there in his boxers and everything. Like we don't see this. Got my window open. Natural lighting coming in. I don't want you glowing. But I want to do a collab with her on my channel and her channel. But, you know, no. I haven't emailed her. Yeah, shout out to Tracy. If for some reason I didn't put the link under, just type in Trey space capital C, and her photo is a picture of her eye, and it's like in black and white. So that's her. I swear to God, if a cloud goes over that sun and ruins my natural lighting, I'm gonna go up to the sun and I'm gonna go up to the clouds and I'm gonna push the clouds and cut the clouds and I'm gonna bring the sun closer to me. I'm gonna sneeze. I want you to sneeze. Come out my body. Make it sneeze. No, okay. Wait. Hey! In the comment section, type bless you. I want to do Q&As like on Twitter because I do have a Twitter. By the way, I'll put my Twitter down below too. So you can check that out. But I want to do Q&As, but I don't, you know, I'm not like freaking Joshua DTV or Superwoman. For those people who do watch my videos, thanks for supporting me. But still, you're adding views and stuff. And that's a butterfly. Go, wiggle, pop. Oh my god, I'm sitting here coughing and dying and my mom's not even gonna walk in. Chase, are you okay? I meant Calvin. I'll see y'all next week and I'm probably gonna have a topic. Not just some random blue language. So I'll see you next Friday, Saturday, or whenever I can do it. Bye. Peace, dudes.